Okay, inverse, everyone, please pay attention. Okay, first, look at the board, everyone. First, for 2 marks, if they give you this, find the value of tan inverse x by y plus tan inverse y minus x divided by y plus x. Alright, you have to find this. Now, what do you have to do? This is like, see, what some students will do is they assume this as x and they assume this as y. Got it? Then they use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. But this is a tricky question. What is this, everyone? A tricky question. Is it clear? So how do you do this, everyone? How do you do this? Please tell me. So what do we do is we make these two same. So x by y plus tan inverse. Divide everything by y. Tell me what do you get? 1 minus x by y divided by 1 plus x by y. Now tan inverse x by y plus tan inverse, doesn't this part which I have written, doesn't this part look like this? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. What is the formula for that? Tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. So which one is your x, everyone? 1 minus y is xy divided by 1 plus we have x into y. X is 1, y is x by y. Is it clear, everyone? So this can be written as tan inverse, come on, x by y. What is tan x minus y divided by 1 plus xy? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So this and this gets cancelled and you are getting tan inverse of 1. So what is 1, everyone? Tan pi by 4. So the answer is pi by 4. Is it clear, everyone? We have done a lot of questions on inverse, everyone. So I'm just going to revise few questions which are competence based questions. Is it clear? Okay. Now look at the board, everyone. If this is given, if a plus pi by 2 is greater than less than 2 tan inverse x plus 3 cot inverse x is less than b. I have to find the range. What do I need to find out, everyone? That means I have to find the value of a and b. Is it clear? Okay, how do you do this? Now, this is, guys, tan and cot. Is it clear? Don't you know a relation between tan and cot? What was that? Please tell me. A plus pi by 2. Got it? Okay, let me simplify only this part. 2 tan inverse x. Let me simplify this, then I'm going to write it together. So there is a relation. If I take, I can write this as 2 tan inverse x plus 2 tan inverse x plus, 3 cot can be written as 2 cot inverse x plus cot inverse x. Yes or no, everyone? What is common out here? Please tell me. 2. So if I take 2 out, what is left? Please tell me. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x plus cot inverse of x. And what is tan plus cot? Everyone knows that. So apart from tan inverse x and cot inverse x, there's one more. There is 2 more rather, but we use the first one. What is that? The sum of 2 ratios will also give you pi by 2. And what are those? Sine and cos. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what is left? Please tell me. Plus cot inverse of x. Is it clear? Now, a plus pi by 2 is less than, what are you getting? Pi plus cot inverse x is less than b. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? And I have already taught you how to find out the domain and range, isn't it? Now, I have to remove, look at this. I need to find the value of cot inverse x. What is extra out here? Pi. So how do you remove pi? I'm going to subtract pi. So what do you get? Please tell me. A plus pi by 2 minus pi. Pi and pi gets cancelled. So we have cot inverse x is less than b minus pi. I hope you're understanding this. tell me what is this? Pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus pi minus pi by 2. Yes or no? Cot inverse of x is b minus pi. Did you understand till here, everyone? Now we already know that what is the range of cot inverse x. Can you tell me? Cot inverse x always lies between what? 0 to pi. Same as tan inverse. Same as tan. Is it clear? Like sine and sine, okay. Sine is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Cos is 0 to pi. Got it? So this is cot. So it will lie between 0 to pi. Is it clear? So this is also cot inverse x. This is also cot. So what is the left hand value, guys? A minus pi by 2 must be equal to what? 0. And what is the right hand value? Please tell me. B minus pi equal to pi. So A equal to, what do you get? Pi by 2 and B equal to 2 pi. Okay, so during the winter vacation I had given you the range and the domain, no? That you have to remember. That you have to remember. Is it clear, everyone? Understood? Okay. So this is how you do it. This is competence based question. So worst case scenario, so I'm just doing it. Is it clear? Okay. Now look at the board, everyone. Find, please listen. Find the domain of fx equal to cos inverse 3x plus pi by 4. Domain means they just want us to find out the value of x. They just want to find out the value of x. So they are just interested in knowing what would be the value of this inside part. Is it clear? X. Now you all know that. Please look up, everyone. You all know that. See, this is what? Cos inverse of 3x. We are interested in finding only this value. Is it clear? Now you know that cos will always lie between what? Will always lie between 0 to pi. Cos inverse will always lie between 0 to pi. Negative, this is negative, isn't it? Comes this side becomes what? Cos 0. Okay? Or we can just change its range. So it will become minus 1 to 1. Cos inverse will lie between, okay, this is cos theta. What is this, everyone? Cos theta. You can assume that way only. So cos inverse, the angle, cos inverse x will always lie between minus 1 and 1. That is much better. Okay. So this angle, let us say it's 0 to pi inverse. So this value of x, I have given you this, what you call range and domain. This value of x will always lie between minus 1 to 1. Remember that. Is it clear? Now it makes sense. Okay. Now 3x will lie between minus 1 to 1. What did I tell you? Domain is all about finding the value of x. Finding the value of x. Is it clear? So what is extra out here? 3. So what do? You divide by 3. Is it clear, everyone? You get this value? Understood? Now they are saying that this is your A and this is your B. Understood? Now they want us to find out the value of A plus B. What is the value of A that you got? Please tell me. Minus 1 by 3. And what's the value of B that you got? So what is the value of A plus B, everyone? 0. Okay, let me tell you one more time. Okay, cos inverse x. Okay, 0 to pi. The inside angle will lie between minus 1 to 1. And the inside angle is 3x. Yes or no? So minus 1 to 1. What is extra out here? 3 comes down. Is it clear? Find A and B. Okay, that is what you have to find out. Now what about this third question? It's given, this is important. Okay, cos inverse x by A minus cos inverse y by B, 4 marks, equal to pi by 3. We had done these type of questions. Sine inverse x by A plus sine inverse y by B equal to 2 pi by 3. I have to find the value of 4x square by A square plus y square by B square. I have to find the value of this. Is it clear? Now remember how we did this? This is cos and that is what? Sine. So it's a simultaneous equation. To solve a simultaneous equation, we have to make the ratios same. Is it clear? First, how do you make the ratio same? Look at this equation. You know that sine plus cos will be equal to what? Pi by 2. So what will just cos be equal to? pi by 2 minus sine inverse x by a minus again pi by 2 minus sine inverse y by b equal to pi by 3. Did you understand till here? Now open the bracket and tell me what you get, please. Pi by 2 minus sine inverse x by a minus pi by 2 plus sine inverse y by b equal to pi by 3. Pi by 2 and pi by 2 gets cancelled. So can you tell me what is left, everyone? Minus sine inverse x by a plus sine inverse y by b equal to pi by 3. Equation number 3. Is it clear? Now this is sine, this is also sine. So just solve it. Sine inverse x by a plus sine inverse y by b equal to 2 pi by 3. This is negative and this is positive. So what will happen, guys? Cancels. So when you add these two, what do you get? Both are same. So what do you get? 2 sine inverse y by b. Add them. LCM is what? 3. 2 pi plus pi. What is that? 3 pi. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So what is sine inverse y by b equal to? Pi by 2. Negative sign goes, that sign becomes positive. So what is that equal to? Sine 90. And what is sine 90, everyone? 1. You got the value of y by b. Now putting y by b in equation number 1, or instead of writing y by b, write down sine inverse y by b. Much easier. Okay. So in equation 1, equation 1 is not equation 3. Let me use equation 3. This one. So we have minus sine inverse x by a plus, what is sine inverse y by b? What is sine inverse y by b? Pi by 2 equal to, what is this? Pi by 3. So pi by 2 plus count this sign becomes minus equal to sine inverse x by a. Help me out, guys. What is the LCM? 6. So we have pi by 6. Is it clear? Equal to sine inverse x by a. Negative comes the sign becomes what? Positive. Pi by 6 equal to x by a. Can you tell me what is sine 30, everyone? Sine 30? 1 by 2. You got both the value. X by a also you got. Y by b also you got. Is it clear? Finally we come to the what have they asked? 4 1 x square by a square plus y square by b square. Tell me what is x by a, guys. What is x by a? 1 by 2 whole square. What is y by b? 1. So what do you get? 4. 1 by 4 plus 1. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Very important question. This is competence based question. Is it clear, everyone? Understood? Okay. Now, did you understand this? 4 marks. Okay, there was one more question. That was also a competence based question. Competence based question. The question was, please see, tan inverse 1 divided by 1 plus, it was 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus dot tan inverse 1 by 1 is equal to s. Is equal to s. We have to find the value of s. We have to find the value of s. This is a very nice tricky question. Is it clear? Okay. Now everyone, remember this formula. What is tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy? This is tan inverse x minus tan inverse of y. So we are going to use this concept. Is it clear? Okay. So we have tan inverse. You need x minus y. What is it, everyone? First, let us concentrate on the denominator. What is this? This is 3. I need 1, isn't it? So 1 the boy. So what should I add 1 to make it 3? 2. Yes or no? So 2. So can I write 2 into 1? 2 1s are 2. So this is your x and this is your. So I can write 2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? Automatically. Fairy, do the same thing. This is 7. I need 1 out here. Yes or no? So here 1 6. Yes or no? 6 can be written as what? 3 into 2. So this is 3 minus 2. I hope you're understanding. Dot. The last one, guys. If this is 1, then this has to be what? 100. Yes or no? Oh no, no. 110. It has to be 110. So can I write 110 as 11 into 10? Yes or no? So this will be 11 minus 10. Now can you tell me, apply the formula, tan inverse x minus y, 1 plus xy, what is that equal to? Tan inverse x minus tan inverse plus tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse of 2 plus dot dot dot, this will be what? Tan inverse of, okay, 11 minus tan inverse of 10 is equal to s. So what you see is, okay, see everyone, what do you see? The first one is getting cancelled with the second. So this and this will get, so similarly tan 3 and tan 3 will get, because what comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? Is it clear? So this is left. What is left? Tan inverse 1. And from here, look at this. What comes last is what? 10. So one will be positive, one will be negative. This also gets cancelled. So what is left? Only the last one, tan inverse left. The last number and the first number. The first number is what? 1. Tan inverse 1 equal to s. Is it clear? So everyone, what is this please? X. And what is this? Y. So tell me what is tan inverse x minus y? X minus divided by 1 plus x into equal to s. So what do you get? Please tell me. 10 by 12 equal to s. Equal to s. Is it clear everyone? Understood? This was a competence based question, that's why it was a bit difficult. Is it clear? So if you get this, this is how you are going to do it. Understood? Okay, few things please. What about this please? If they tell you to find the domain of a 1 mark question, we have done these type of questions a lot. The domain of sine inverse of 3x plus 4. Is it clear? How would you do this everyone? Remember what I told you? Sine inverse x will lie between what? Minus 1 and 1. So that means this value. Is it clear? This value. So what can you conclude out here? 3x plus 4 will also has to lie between minus 1 to 1. Understood everyone? Minus 1 to 1. Okay. Now I need the value of x. That is the meaning of domain, isn't it? So what is extra out here? So how do you remove 4 guys? Yes, minus 4. 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So this will be 1 minus 4. This will be what? Minus 5. This will be minus 3. Yes or no? Now how do you remove the 3? So it becomes minus 5 by 3 minus 1. Is it clear everyone? So what's the domain? What is the domain? Minus 5 by 3 comma minus 1. Is it clear? Remember this. Understood? Because the value of sine will always lie between minus 1 to 1. Is that clear? And inverse will lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Is it clear? Okay, what about this? Do you remember how to solve this type of question that we had discussed? This one please. Tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 5. So negative tan and positive tan gets, but this angle has to be in the range, isn't it? So just see, what is this? This is 3 pi by 5. No, what is this? 3 into 180 by 5. 5 how many times? 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. 5 6 are 30. Yes? Yes, sir. So when you multiply, what do you get? 6 3s are 18. 108. It does not lie in that range, yes or no? And remember how I taught you to simplify this? Tan inverse of tan. What is the LCM guys? 5. So what is the multiple of 5? 5. The simplest, the closest is 5. So I can write this as what? 5 pi minus 2 pi. Yes or no? So this will be equal to tan inverse of tan. Come on. When you divide, pi minus 2 pi by 5. Is it clear? Now, pi means, will the ratio change or no? It does not change. So tan will remain what? Tan. 2 pi by 5. What about the quadrant? This is the pi, isn't it? Negative means backward. This quadrant will tan be positive or negative? Negative. So it will be what? Minus. Is it clear, everyone? What will it be, everyone? Minus. So the minus will come out. So tan inverse of tan 2 pi by 5. Now it is in the range. Is it clear? So tan and tan gets cancelled. Please don't forget this. Is it clear? What about cos? Please tell me. Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. These are short answer questions. Come on. Cos lies between what? Cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta, provided theta lies between 0 and pi. Is it clear? So this is how much? Pi by 6 is 30. 7 3s are 21. It's coming 210. Does 210 lie between 0 and pi? No. So how do you break this one up, everyone? This is 6 LCM, isn't it? Multiple of 6. 6 ones are the closest that we come to know is 6 pi plus pi. So what do you get? Please tell me. Cos inverse of cos 6 and 6 gets, so pi plus what do you get? Pi by 6. So cos inverse of, when it is pi the ratio does not change. What about the sign, guys? Pi, no? Plus means power. So what do you get, everyone? Minus. Is it clear? What happened to the minus sign? Comes up. Cos of minus theta, but the cos theta tha. This is inverse, hai na anta? Cos inverse of minus x. Yes, pi minus cos inverse of x. For sine, okay, sine, then we have cosec, okay, and tan, the minus comes out. Whereas for cot, sec, and cos, pi comes out. What comes out? So इसको आंसर क्या हुन्छ? Pi minus cos inverse of cos pi by 6. So now cos and cos gets cancelled. So what is the answer, guys? 5 pi by 6. Please don't forget this. Is it clear? Okay. So competence also we have done. Mode also we have done. What about this, everyone? Same, cos inverse 3x minus 2 domain. Cos and sine will always lie between minus 1 and 1. Is it clear? Minus 1 and 1. Got it? So this part, inside part has to lie between what? Minus 1 and 1. Is it clear? How do we remove the minus 2? Plus 2, 3x, 3. Divide by 3, what do you get? 1 by 3, yes or no? Want to show everyone? So what is your domain? 1 by 3 comma 1. Is it clear? Okay, the rest I have done it. Okay, if you get this type of question, how will you do it? If you see a question of this form, 3 tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi. Could you please tell me how do you do it? This is solve. What is it, everyone? So directly don't start using the formula. Is it clear? How do you do this? Please tell me. Tan and cot is there, no? So you know a relation between tan and cot. What is that? 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi. And what is tan and cot, guys? Yes, pi by 2 equal to pi. So what do you get? 2 tan inverse x equal to pi minus what? Pi by 2. So 2 tan inverse x equal to pi by 2 comes down. Tan inverse x equal to pi by 4, x equal to tan pi by 4. And what is tan 45, everyone? 1. What is tan 45? Is it clear? Okay, this question for 4 marks, guys. If you see this question, the question is solve for x, tan inverse x whole square plus cot inverse x whole square is equal to 5 pi square by 8. 5 pi square by not 8, I think it's 6. Just a minute, okay, I'll just check the question. It's 8 only. I have to find the value of x. I have to find the value of x. So guys, 4 marks question. Huh? Is it clear? So how would you solve this? Look at the board, everyone. This is what? A square plus b square. A square plus b square. Can you tell me what's the formula for a square plus b square? What is a square plus b square, everyone? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So which one is your a? Come on, tell me. Tan inverse x plus b cot inverse x whole square minus 2 tan inverse x into cot inverse x equal to 5 pi square by 8. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Now, what is tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, everyone? Very good. Pi by 2 whole square minus 2. If this was tan and cot, then I could cancel, isn't it? But for this, you can't. Is it clear? So this is tan inverse x. What is this? So this is cot. Can you tell me how do you change cot into tan? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse x. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Simplify this, please. Pi square, 2 2s are 4. Positive comes this and becomes 5 pi square by 8. Negative goes that side becomes positive. So please tell me what you get. 2 tan inverse x into pi by 2 minus into minus minus the time by plus. Okay, 2 tan inverse, because see this comes this side and becomes what? Plus. So बीच में sign की sir. So 2 tan inverse x 2 times. Is it clear? So see 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I hope you're understanding. So what is left LCM? Please tell me. 8. 4 how many times? 2. So what do you get? Minus 3 pi square is equal to tan inverse x into pi minus 2 tan inverse x whole square. Is it clear, everyone? So we convert this into a quadratic equation. Negative comes this side becomes what? So help me out. 2 tan inverse x whole square. Got it? You positive take this up. Positive comes this side becomes what? Negative. I can write pi into tan inverse x. Yes? And this is already negative. So minus 3 pi square by 8 equal to 0. Did you understand till here? Now tell me this standard quadratic equation. How do you write a standard quadratic equation, please? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to, can you tell me what is a? X1, मतलब tan inverse xy. What is a? 2. What is b? Minus pi. And what is c? Minus 3 pi square by 8. Is it clear? And finally, what are you supposed to do, guys? Sridhar Acharya's formula. That's it. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, tell me the formula. Minus b. B bani kyo? Minus pi. Minus and minus plus. Plus minus root b square. B square pi square minus 4 into a into c minus 3 pi square by 8. Divide the whole thing by 2 into a means 2 only. So what you are getting? Pi plus minus root pi square minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. So you are getting how much? 3 pi square by 4. So pi plus minus 3 plus 1, what is that? 4. And what is root 4, guys? 2. Pi square is pi by 4. Is it clear? So when you take positive, what do you get? Pi plus 2 pi by 4. That is equal to 3 pi by 4. Or pi minus 2 pi by 4. That is equal to minus pi by 4. Is it clear, everyone? So the answer will be 3 pi by 4 or minus pi by 4. This one was a bit difficult. Is it clear? Just a minute, I'm about to complete. Okay, so today today itself, please go home and do all relation, function and inverse. So what you can do is, first you can just go home and do everything that is there in your winter coaching. Is that clear? Then you can just watch the videos, whatever has been done out here. Okay, just one question now. I'm just trying to find out. Okay, all these questions have been done. Okay, just see everyone, this question for 4 marks everyone, because I've clearly mentioned that solving questions you are going to get. Is it clear? Now everyone just see, if tan inverse x minus cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3, solve for x. Solve for x. Is it clear? Okay. One common mistake which students make, is it clear, is they convert cot into tan. What do? Convert cot into by reciprocal. They write cot inverse x as tan inverse 1 by x, then they use the formula. I'm not saying that you will not get the answer, but the solution will be very long. Is it clear? So see, you have to understand the basics of an equation. In an equation, the lesser the variable, the better for you, isn't it? In an equation, if there are two variables, x and y, can you solve it? Not possible. But if there's only one variable, then it can be solved. So keeping that in mind, can I write cot inverse x as pi by 2 minus tan inverse x? Yes or no, everyone? Tan inverse 1 by root 3. Is it clear, everyone? Now open the bracket. Tan inverse x minus pi by 2, minus into minus, plus tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. Is it clear? Yes or no? Now what do you get? Please tell me. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. What is that? 2 tan inverse x minus pi by 2 equal to tan inverse as it is. Can you tell me what is 1 by root 3? Tan of what value? Tan of 30. Tan of 30. That is pi by 6. So tan and tan gets cancelled. So 2 tan inverse x is equal to, this is pi by 6. Negative comes and becomes positive. Yes or no? So what is that equal to, everyone? 2 tan inverse x. What is the LCM? 6. This will be pi. This will be 3. So it will be how much? 4 pi by 6. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Yes or no? Again, this 2 and this 2 gets. So what is tan inverse x, everyone? Pi by 3. So negative tan comes and becomes positive. Pi by 3. And pi by 3 is 60. So what is the value of x? Root 3. What is the value of x? Root 3. Is it clear? So please don't forget this, how to solve this. Is it clear? Okay, what about this, please? Cos, curly bracket, tan inverse, curly bracket, cot, open bracket, sine inverse x, close the curly bracket, equal to x. What about this, please? I have to prove that this is x. How did I teach you? Pythagoras theorem. Is it clear? At every stage you can do this. Please look up. What is sine? Some people have. So what will be your base? under root 1 minus x square. So I can write this as cos, come on, tan inverse cot. So this is sine, so this also can be written as cot inverse of turns permanently black. So this is going to be root 1 minus x square by x. So cot and cot gets, so you are left with, please tell me, tan inverse of root 1 minus x square by x. Did you understand till here? Now tell me what is tan co formula? Turns permanently black. So what will be the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So square and root gets cancelled. So we are left with 1. This and this gets cancelled. So cos curly brown. What is the base? Curly brown, hypotenuse is 1. Cos and cos gets cancelled. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Is it clear, everyone?